Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using both banks. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Regions Bank depends entirely on your individual banking needs. Think about factors like where you live, the kinds of banking products you use, your preferred digital tools, and the level of customer service you expect. JPMorgan Chase, a banking giant in the United States, provides a wide range of financial services. They offer everything from basic checking and savings accounts to credit cards, mortgages, personal loans, and even robust solutions for small businesses and corporations. Their nationwide reach, huge ATM network, and easy-to-use digital platform make them a great choice for people who prioritize convenience, excellent credit card rewards, and the ability to manage all their finances under one roof. Chase also offers a comprehensive suite of services designed specifically for small businesses and merchants, which is attractive to both entrepreneurs and established companies looking for reliable and scalable financial solutions. Regions Bank, on the other hand, takes a more regional approach, focusing on the South, Midwest, and Texas. They prioritize customer service and building relationships with their clients. While they don't have the same national presence as Chase, Regions offers competitive checking and savings accounts, personal and business loans, credit cards, and mortgages. Their Life Green accounts often include features that help customers manage their money effectively and avoid unnecessary fees. Regions also provide solid business banking support, including lending options and treasury management services, although their range of options may not be as broad or specialized as Chase's offerings. For customers who live and work primarily within Regions' core markets, the convenience of local branches and their community-focused approach can be a significant advantage. Both banks offer robust mobile and online banking platforms. Chase is generally considered to have a more feature-rich and user-friendly digital experience, while Regions is continuously working to improve its mobile and online services to stay competitive. In the final analysis, if you prioritize a wide variety of products, national accessibility, premium credit cards, and advanced digital banking features, JPMorgan Chase is probably the better choice. However, if you prefer a bank with a regional focus, potentially simpler fee structures, personalized customer service, and a commitment to community involvement, Regions Bank might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best decision depends on your specific location, banking habits, and long-term financial goals. Consider these factors carefully before making your choice.